Did you know that sheep farming in the USA can be a profitable and beneficial business? If you are thinking about starting a sheep farm and want to succeed in this industry, then this video is just for you. Today, we will guide you on how to start sheep farming with low investment, which breeds are the most profitable, and how much income you can generate from this business. So, let's get started. 1.3. Land and facilities. Sheep need open land where they can graze freely and exercise. If you already own land, that's great. But if you are planning to buy land, it is essential to have at least 5 to 10 acres to provide enough space for your sheep. Additionally, a strong and secure shelter is necessary to protect them from extreme weather conditions, such as rain, snow, or intense heat, as well as from predators. Water availability is also crucial, as each sheep requires about 2 to 4 liters of water daily to stay healthy. When selecting a breed, you should consider your purpose. If you want to raise sheep for meat, some of the best breeds include Dorper, Suffolk, and Hampshire. These breeds grow rapidly and produce high-quality meat. If you are interested in wool production, then breeds like Merino and Romney are more suitable as they produce soft and abundant wool. And if you want to raise sheep for dairy, breeds like East Friesian and Lacogne are famous for their high milk production, making them ideal for producing dairy products such as cheese and yogurt. Feeding and care. Providing a balanced diet is essential for keeping your sheep healthy and ensuring proper growth. They should be fed fresh pasture, hay, and grains such as corn, barley, and oats to meet their nutritional needs. Additionally, supplementing their diet with essential minerals and vitamins like calcium and phosphorus improves their overall health. Keep in mind that sheep are prone to various diseases such as foot rot, internal parasites, and pneumonia. Therefore, regular vaccinations and deworming treatments are necessary to keep them disease-free. Marketing and sales. To make your sheep farming business profitable, you need to use the best marketing strategies. There is a high demand for lamb meat, especially in local markets and among ethnic communities. You can sell your wool to textile companies or even earn extra income by selling it online through platforms like Etsy. Additionally, sheep milk is highly valuable and can be sold to dairy companies, or you can produce your own dairy products, such as cheese, yogurt, or even ice cream to sell in the market. Costs and profits. The initial investment in sheep farming varies, but if you buy 50 sheep, it may cost you around $10,000 to $15,000. Additionally, building shelters and fencing may require another $3,000 to $5,000. However, once your business is running successfully, you can earn around $15,000 per year from meat sales, $2,500 from wool, and $10,000 or more from dairy products. This means your total annual profit could range from $20,000 to $40,000. Conclusion and call to action. If you are interested in starting your own sheep farm, now is the time to plan. Sheep farming is a great opportunity with low investment and high returns. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Start your sheep farming journey today.